Hi, my name is John Mays. Some people refer to me as Evil John Mays. I'm a makeup effects artist, and I'm here doing a demonstration for expertvillage.com. Can get you to look up. There you go. And we'll put it on here first, then we'll take a cotton swab and kind of dab it around, look down. What I'm doing now is taking that pencil line and open your eye, brushing it down and about to make it look less like eyeshadow and more like a long bad night. You got to be really careful with your choice of makeup around the actor's eyes. Okay. Sometimes they have contacts, sometimes you have to have theatric contacts. The trick is you don't want to get anything in their eyes if you can avoid it at all costs, or if you can avoid it at all.